What's going on, folks? Today I have another quick tutorial for you in swarmui, and I want to show you how to use the remove background feature. This is a standard feature that comes with Swarm, and it is very useful if you need to remove the background out of your generations. So let me show you what we have to do here. Pretty simple. I'm using Flux. I'm using the FP8 model, and I have my settings at 20 steps. You can pretty much see everything here. CFG scale is at 1, of course, and then my guidance scale is at 3.5, which is pretty much the standard. We're not doing anything special here. And then my sampler, I have Euler and the beta scheduler. And where you're going to find the background removal tool is, you need to click on Display Advanced Options. Click on that, scroll down, and then look for the one that says Advanced Sampling. Click on it, and it'll be about halfway down. You'll see it here, Remove Background. And always use these tooltips because they're very handy. It tells you exactly what that particular parameter is. I mean, obviously, this is going to remove the background. So all we need to do is check that, and then we're going to hit Generate. So we'll give it a few seconds here to generate. And it'll first generate the image with the background, but then it's going to jump right in and then remove the background from it, all in one shot. I'll show you a trick if you want to keep the original image with the background. So here's the one without the background. Okay, it's not 100% perfect, but it does a pretty good job. So now if you want to keep this same image with the background, you can say reuse parameters, and that'll put your seed in here. We don't want 4 images, we're just going to use 1. And then go down here and make sure you uncheck remove background. So we should get the same image now, but then with the original background that it was going to generate with. So there you go. That's the original that had the background. And then without the background is this one here. You can see it's the same car, just without the background. So there you go. If you have any questions or anything, make sure you drop them down in the comments below, and then check out the Swarm Discord server. There's a link down in the description. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you. Take care. We'll see you on the next one.